Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I am back, okay? I'm back to show you some more progress with Club Cash Fund. But real quick, I want to show you, I got more packages in the mail. If you've been following me on YouTube, if you go back and look, you will see me opening lots of packages showing proof that direct mail works, okay? Here's a few of my postcards. Here's the one for the Tycoon. You may want to check that out as well. All right, and then you'll see Instant Cash Solution. And you'll see Easy One Up, $500 commissions, guys. So all these postcards work as well as I work everything online, okay? So you too can get these packages, okay? But I'm not gonna open all these packages today because I don't want this channel to be an opening packages. Every time you see me, I'm opening packages. Again, if you go back, you will see I've proven that everything that I've promoted, I've shown you proof of, okay? So I'm not gonna open all those, but I'm gonna show you Club Cash Fund today, all right? Another envelope came in the mail. Okay. All right, so we're going to turn the camera around and open that package, okay? But I'm going to put the links below for all these, okay, programs, and you can get started with direct mail as well, getting these priority mail packages in the mail, all right? All right, so hang on 1 second. All right, let's put this here. All right, so Club Cash Fund is a direct mail program, guys, okay? The difference with Club Cash Fund is you don't have to do the mailing yourself. They'll mail out all your sales letters for you, okay? I think I have one with me, by the way. Let me take a look. I always keep one in my little memo pad, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. Your job is just to get people over to your Club Cash Fund website. We all get a website with it, okay? So once you get people to your website, they enter their information and they request a sales kit. Okay, a sales kit is simply this package that comes with a self-addressed envelope and the sales letter that has your ID number on it. Okay, so when you mail it back in with your $100, it's only $100 to get started. It's a low-ticket direct mail program, but remember, you're not doing any mailing. The company is doing your mailing for you. So it's $100 to get started. You get a website, you get a back office, you get all that. And you make unlimited $20 commissions on 3 tiers, okay? So your job is just to get people over to that website, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. I'm not mailing anything out for Club Cash Fund. All I do is run traffic, I do videos, and I do email marketing. That's what I do to promote Club Cash Fund, and I'll show you how I'm doing that as well. But with that being said, let's open this up. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload videos, okay? So, let's check this out from Club Cash Fund. I think this is number 3, I want to say. Okay. Get this blue envelope, guys. Okay. Okay. All right, you get this blue sheet that comes with it, okay? And let's see what's in here. There's another $20 bill, okay? So these unlimited $20 bills come in, and, oh, they sent me something about, pretty cool, how to get leads. They've got a lead program, okay? That's what was included in here. Pretty cool. Check it out. I'm just going to turn it over so you can see it. This came with it this time. That's something new they got going on. Look at that. So now you can get leads. Okay. So that is neat, guys. Let's see. Get 150 leads for $25, 300 leads for $45, 600 for $80, and so forth. Okay. So become a member of Club Cash Fund. They just started this, because this is the first time I've seen this little deal in here. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so again, it pays. I know there's another commission coming. I believe this is from the holiday week. So there's another one coming, and I'll come back and show you guys that. But again, I don't want to just be opening packages. I want you guys to just see that it does work. But if you go back and look at all those videos that I have, you'll see I have proof of me opening lots and lots of packages, okay? But again, this is a low ticket program, but you can get started with it, and as you build some income, you can join the other programs, or you feel free to join them. I'm going to put the links below and you decide what works for you. But this one will require no mailing at all, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I'm going to enjoy my mocha today and do some mailing and get some more postcards out. I've been talking about this one too while I got you on here. $300 commissions, the Postcard Tycoon. Okay, it comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards, okay? So you definitely want to check this one out as well. Now this one you will mail out, but on every 5th sale, the company is going to give you 500 postcards, 500 stamps, and 500 leads. So this comes with postcards, okay? So all you're going to need to do is get your stamps. So this is a great program to get started in as well. $300 per sale, all right? So till next time, guys, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right? You guys have a blessed day.